Describing motion. If we have to study motion of an object, we need to locate its positions at different instants of time. For this, we need a reference point. For example, it is difficult to describe the position of the car because we do not have a reference point. In this case, we will use a tree as a reference point. A standard reference point used in physics is origin, which is a 0 point of an axis. The car is in front of tree. We use tree as a reference point and in front of as a reference direction to help in describing the position of car. Now the car is behind the tree. The tree is still the reference point, but now the reference direction is behind. Motion along a straight line. Motion along a straight line is the simplest type of motion. We shall first learn to describe this by an example. Consider the motion of an object moving along a straight path. The object starts its journey from S, which is treated as its reference point, as seen in this animation. Let P, Q and R represent the position of the object at different instants. At first, the object moves through R and Q and reaches P. Then it moves back along the same path and reaches R through Q. The total path length covered by the object is SP plus PR, that is 50 km plus 35 km is equal to 85 km, which is the distance covered by the object. To describe distance, we need to specify only the numerical value and not the direction of motion. Uniform and non-uniform motion. If an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, however small these intervals may be, its motion is said to be uniform motion. In uniform motion, neither speed nor direction of motion changes with time. It means that if an object moves with a constant speed in a straight line, it is said to be in uniform motion. The table shows that the car covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Thus, the motion is said to be uniform motion. The distance-time graph for uniform motion is always a straight line. Non-uniform motion. If an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, its motion is said to be non-uniform. When your school bus reaches your bus stop, its speed is 0. It slowly speeds up. As it nears another bus stop, it slows down again and comes to 0 speed. The type of motion exhibited by this bus is known as non-uniform motion. Table shows that a body in motion covered equal distance in unequal interval of time. Thus, this motion is said to be non-uniform motion. Distance-time graph for non-uniform motion is not a straight line.